Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products to make your life easier. Today, we're talking about the Mission Gallery Hamburger Press Patty Maker, a game-changer for burger lovers. If you've ever struggled with making perfectly shaped burger patties, this product will solve that problem for you. With its unique 4-in-1 design, this patty maker is one of the best hamburger patty makers on the market. Let's dive into what makes this product stand out. The kit includes a high-quality BPA-free plastic patty mold, a burger press, 6 storage containers, and 100 round patty liners. Each part of this set is carefully designed to give you that perfect burger patty, whether you're cooking up beef, chicken, or even veggie patties. The press creates a perfectly round and even patty every time, so your burgers will cook evenly and taste amazing. One of the best features of this patty maker is the 6 storage containers that come with it. These are perfect for storing pre-formed patties, whether you're getting ready for a barbecue or meal prepping for the week. The containers are stackable, making it easy to save space in your refrigerator or freezer. They come with lids, so you can keep your patties fresh until it's time to cook them. You'll never have to worry about your patties sticking together again, thanks to the 100 included round patty liners that make separation a breeze. This patty maker is perfect for barbecue parties, family gatherings, or even a small get-together. It's lightweight and compact, making it easy to take along to a picnic or cookout. Whether you're grilling for a large crowd or just a few friends, the Mission Gallery Hamburger Press Patty Maker will help you create restaurant-quality patties every time. Plus, the durable construction ensures this tool will last for years to come. The set is incredibly versatile, allowing you to make perfectly shaped patties for any occasion. It's also a great gift for the barbecue lover in your life. The set provides everything you need to impress your guests with delicious, professional-looking burgers. And if you're wondering if this patty maker is dishwasher and microwave safe, it certainly is, making cleanup a breeze. In conclusion, the Mission Gallery Hamburger Press Patty Maker is the ultimate tool for anyone who loves making burgers. With its compact design, high-quality components, and ability to store your patties, it makes burger making simpler and more enjoyable than ever before. If you're ready to upgrade your grilling game, this is the product you've been waiting for. Be sure to check it out and see why it's one of the best hamburger patty makers available today. Thanks for watching Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next video.